Hello, everyone, and welcome to another quick scan session with Ben and Raffa. I'm Ben. You see Raffa as well. Hi, Raffa. How you doing?
Hi Ben. Hello everyone, doing good, thanks. What a long night yesterday.
Yes, you were doing a live show, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. And today the crypto markets are in red and highly volatile, so I'm pretty sure that we should be able to spot some interesting trade by quick scan.
You're thinking shorts today? Hello, Sven.
Long?
Hello, Maggie. You're thinking longs today.
Yeah. Hello everyone.
Okay, good. Shall we start with what we were doing last week to show people the profits that we made? It was on Yalla, actually. 4 hours. I mean, it was good. Good trade. If you remember, like we ended the stream here.
Oh yeah.
And we managed to push it up further.
Perfect win trade.
Yeah, giving us a nice $8 profit, which pushed us back into the 218 now. So that's decent, right? Also 5%, 5% increase or something like that.
Yeah, let's get over 220.
Okay, well that should be possible, right? So as always, we're doing the quick scanner, setting it to 15 minutes, and we're looking for 3% rises, 3% drops, and fat fingers if we get them. But yeah, so far, nothing yet. We're doing it on the 3 minutes. Let's unlock the tabs and let's go. Oh, let me enable the correct layout. And this one we have, because we're using the Bollinger Band RSIs and Stochastic RSI. All right. Let's see if we can find a new one. And you're thinking longs, right?
Oh yeah, so we should go short.
That's
I knew it.
I don't know. It's been dropping in the last few hours, really. So
Yeah.
we could see some recovery. Obviously, we're not playing the long term here. So we're seeing some recoveries like here to there. Here to there would mean that we could see a reversal there. So I think, I don't know, maybe you're right with the longs today.
Yeah, drive some correction since Powell brought a bit of chaos and the consensus for a rate cut at the next December conference has faded. So after this drop, I expect some technical rebounds. But let's see what QuickScan offers.
No recovery. No FLM. Kite. Kite is going up.
Yeah.
High as a kite, they say. An AT coin.
Ooh, wow, look at that.
I didn't know we had a coin. That's doing a lot. Could we see a recovery bounce back to that? Oh, 5%.
Let's go with our first short.
Yeah, let's see if we can get something. I always find these things a little bit scary. The shorts. I don't know why. I'm biased. But have we had much luck with shorts? It's kind of difficult to time the reverse.
Mm.
Hello, Dimitro.
Have we changed the playlist music?
Yeah, we did.
Mm.
Just like to switch it up a bit. Last week was a little bit too much of a summery vibe for me. Mm-hmm. This is a very new market.
Yeah, got listed just today, right?
Yeah, usually
At 1 p.m.
they're very volatile.
Yeah, yeah. But 100 million USDT volume per day is a big amount compared to others.
Mm-hmm. This move was big volume.
I don't think that, Roman. I have always seen soda present here every day.
20 seconds left. See if we can get the close of the candle.
No, soda, you disappointed me. How you dare once?
Okay, I'm gonna risk it. Let's see if we can get it. Lock the tap. Get a new tap in. We can just go to quick scan swarms. I'd like to do a long and a short at the same time. Just to
A spread trading.
this is nothing. Jellies. This is better. A nice bit of absorption here. How are we doing? This
My
one
God,
is,
look at that. Yeah, look at that volume spike.
yeah, a lot of it is absorbed, so that's a good sign. But I do expect a little bit more of a push down first. It would be annoying if this is just going to go straight up. But you know what? It can always do that. Just waiting for the candle to close to see if there's a continuation to the downside.
Yeah, actually, if it keeps pushing like that, maybe we could enter short if the price just explode upside.
Yeah, there's an idea. Short it from the middle line. Right, so you mean like this?
Yeah, because I think we are a bit late.
Although it's look, it's grabbing it down again. Because this would be like the better entry. Hello, green crypto guy. Let's see if we can. It's a bit slow now. Yeah, in theory, I just want to get it like expire position. If we go here, then I'm no longer interested. So let's just set it and forget it. Let's look at this one. Oh. Oh, you left and came back.
Yeah, sorry, I have returned. Just disappear 1 second. Hello.
Ooh,
Okay.
this is a nice pattern. Had some success with this pattern last time.
Lumia.
I think we're going to be out at 80. Looking at the price here. Yeah, I am liking this. I'm going to go for it. Let's see this one. Oh, still close. Let's make sure that we can see all three of them. Nice. AT's dropping. That's good. Lumia, Locket, Melania.
No, it's back.
It never went. It dropped a lot.
Oh. Okay, so I thought it was.
A lot.
What is that? Oh my god!
We've traded it before. What's pump? Yeah, pump has got nice. Yeah, that looks nice. You can pump there. I think pump is actually one that we can do with multiple levels. So let's remove the stop loss and see if we can get into pump. Yeah, we've just got stopped out of 80. Let's see if we can get in here. Yep, we're in. Okay, now we need to check some levels. So we can add some more to the to update it. Increase the size. That's good. Yep.
Two
Okay.
longs, one short.
Now we're gonna be 3 longs now.
Ooh. Take a look.
Pump is immediately dumping on us.
Ooh, yeah.
Switch back to 3 minutes. Yeah, this one. Oh, look at it.
Wow.
That's kind of why you need stop losses.
Just wipe out like that.
Yeah. I mean, the dude think another short. Short can't hurt here.
Most of the time, our first trade is always
Another one
a bad shoot.
out. Norris, yeah. Norris is also out. Not doing so fine today. which would indicate like a short is a bad decision. I mean, yeah, if we're gonna go, then we should go there.
Two. Meno 2.28.
Let's try.
All right, 2 trades, 0 win rate.
Let's try again. See,
Minus.
shit. Yeah, this one was stopped out, but again, such a nice opportunity. It's just a little sweep.
Yes.
Let's turn the volume off because it's blocking my view a bit. Yeah, you see it's going. Lumia. We're in, but
I love using a ladder order to enter a trade. For futures, I find it hard to use this. Has Trade a calculation for this to know what the liquidation amount will be? The green crypto guy is asking.
You can use the stop loss to determine your size, to make sure that you don't get liquidated, even if you're taking multiple levels. What did we just get?
Also on pump, the situation is a bit struggle.
Yeah, but we've got an extra order, a ladder order.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, what I meant by that is if you use the stop loss, then you know your possible loss here, which includes all ladders. And if you multiply that by your leverage, then your liquidation price would be at that percent level. So in this case, it would be around 60% of the price. So you're safe. Obviously, depending on how much you risk. If you risk much more, then your possible loss would be, or sorry, I should say the risk. You need to look at the risk. Multiply the risk by leverage. So if you're risking 1% at 20x leverage, then your stop loss will be, or your liquidation price will be very low or very high, like in these cases. Actually, we're doing crossed, so then it's harder to determine. In this case, you're not going to get liquidated if the price reaches there. AT's dropping. Ours is rising. Pump is dumping. That's wrong. Something's wrong here. What's your money on? Which of these four will be the money maker today? So far, the 2% that we were going to make, we already lost.
We have time. We have time.
Patience.
Yeah, Pump and Lumia, they are dropping around 1%.
Yeah. We're working on an update where the P&L calculation is live. So I don't know if you've noticed last week, but last week I was switching between the tabs to get the correct pricing updated, but now we can actually see it live, even if you're not on the tab. Yeah, I'm not liking this move.
We should say that right now the time is quite hard to do any trade. It's very hard to trading now.
This looks like it's going to have another move up. Don't know.
Yeah.
I mean, ideally, we want to get here to this level to break it. Pump is dumping even further, but we're going to get our second fill. Yeah, almost. Yeah, we should have our fill. There we go. So now we can set up. We can do another increase. position is getting updated. Oh wait, I wanted to press the increase button. There. That's easier. I'm like, what am I doing? Lumia. Lumia is not budging. This one's doing okay. This one, okay.
Let's see.
Yeah, we're not going to manage more than 4. It's busy enough.
Yeah.
But I have to say, it does help that these P&Ls are now updated live.
Yeah, can track them very easily.
Yeah. I need to do something about the resolution because it's quite small. Let's see. Should we see if we can change the... Like, does this make it better?
No.
I don't know. What do people think? Is this better? Don't think so. This is, yeah, you have more view now.
Yeah.
Bunch of amateurs. There we go. Let's look at Lumia. When is the next news coming out that we need to be mindful of?
Next week, for sure. But actually, the big event already happened.
The big event, was it any? It wasn't that big of a move, was it? I mean, it caused the markets to crash.
Yeah. I mean, compared to the previous events, not that much, but
any thoughts on why Bitcoin is not reacting to these types of rate cuts as it did before?
I think because after the flash crash we have seen on last Friday, where 100 billions of liquidation in just one day happened, I think traders are still a bit afraid and they don't do any trade. So the market, like crypto market, is a bit flat, only due to the flash crash, then by the Fed cut. Bluffing as exchange.
Why do you want bluffing? I mean, it's not on our list currently, but any reason why? There we go. Come on. If we can get like below this level, that would be awesome. You can use Hyperliquid for no KYC futures trading, and we already have Hyperliquid. Like Hyperliquid is here. Has lots of futures exchanges or futures markets, and no KYC. Isn't that awesome? Oh, this moving around the break even is it's affecting me. Stop it.
Nauris doesn't know any up move. only fail, only falling.
But the next exchange that we will launch, I mean, it's ready. We're just waiting on the exchange to do something. Would be 2bit, and 2bit is also a non-KYC exchange technically. I mean, in order to get API access, you do need to do KYC. So, but if you don't want to do that, you can trade 2bit. And I've done my KYC as a Dutch citizen on 2bit, and they didn't care. So.
Here we go. Come on.
But the reason we chose Hyperliquid is because they are a decentralized exchange with an entity not operating in the EU, so they're not actually legally bound to the EU regulations. They're not allowed to advertise in the EU. But yeah, I don't think they do. And we're not advertising Hyperliquid, we're just saying that we have it. But whether or not you use it, it's completely up to you. This is looking like a dangerous setup to me. This is looking like it's absorbing
the
sell pressure.
Yeah.
And then going to continue. What do you think?
Yeah, it's showing resilience.
So probably better to take some risk off, right?
Probably could be the right decision, yeah.
And then all of a sudden you see quick and then the move down that we wanted. Oh, pump. This is really narrow. Lumia. I mean, the percentage is big, like 1.5, 1.3. A lot.
Big losses today.
We're not going to go for big losses. We're going to go for big wins.
Yeah, I mean, the major cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they are all falling.
That is a good sign. Even on the small time frames?
Yeah.
We can have a look. Binance. These are also updating really fast.
Wow.
Yeah. It's a bit boring. 4 positions open. Oh, we've got something.
Alert trigger.
Have you done any? Oh, the green crypto. What is the total return from this trading sessions? If a monthly return is still positive, these small losses are the way. Well, to be fair, we mostly made the money in these sessions from the quickscan sessions, and not too long ago, this amount that what we started at 170. No, we started at 218 today, but months ago we had 178. So yeah, we're now at 218, 178.
Like 40% up.
22%.
22% in how long? Like in 1 month? No.
No. We've done this for longer. I don't know, 4 months, 5 months.
Okay, that makes sense.
So 5 months for 22%. It's not bad for an hour of trading per week.
5-6% per month. Hello, Mark, and welcome.
No, not bad at all. Oh, dumping again.
Of course, if you do like this kind of trade at home, it will be better because we are in streaming only 1 hour, so we have to catch sudden moves. But I'm pretty sure that if you are at home, on your workstation, you focus more, you can increase your profit.
Yeah, if you could be patient and not having to take trades. I mean, we're forcing ourselves to take a few trades. Like I want to be in 4 trades at any given time, but that's who wants to be that? Like who has a goal of that? It's easy, but it's not an easy goal to then turn those into a profit. And especially if markets are dumping when they're actually called pump. Doesn't make any sense. It's come on.
Yeah, crypto guy, you are so right. No one invests in bank anymore as you used to do in the past.
Well, you can invest in the bank, just not save it. But investing in the bank is not a bad idea because they make so much money these days with the imbalance in interest. Like they can borrow or lend the money at high interest rates, and they give you peanuts for it. Right? Previously, you were getting what, like maybe 0.1% if you were getting something, and they were lending the money out for like 1% of profits, and now they're getting like 4%, and they're still giving you 1%, so they're actually making 3% profit.
Yeah. Next goal: running Altrady Bank.
We took the slowest trades today. Let's make the music a bit more poppin' then. But we have a short and a long. Highly frustrating that they're both down. You're teaching your kids to invest into the markets, crypto, stocks, ETFs. This is the way for them to expand their wealth. Yeah. I mean, my son is a bit too young. He's only 2.5, but he's already got an investment account. Not many people know this in the Netherlands, but you can actually open up a investment account for your kids, and it will be in their name, but you have control, which is, I find, really, really good. Because later on, like when they get 18, then they get access to that money, and then they can use it for like when they're going to university or college or whatever, and they need to live by themselves. Or for example, if they're going away far, then they already have something in the bank that is actually theirs, and tax has already been paid. Actually, it's been tax-free because the money that you can put in over the year, you can keep it below the free tax threshold. And yeah, over 18 years, even a few euros a month can make a big difference. Are we just like, we're already 40 minutes going sideways? What is this? I mean, two trades, we were stopped out quite quickly, but yeah, this is very dangerous. Although there's an imbalance here. Have you seen those types of imbalances before? Like,
yeah, usually because RSI is lagging more than stochastic.
Yeah, so you're investing the earnings. You can transfer the account, but then you're still subject to tax when you go over the threshold. So the maximum threshold is 6,000 something, so maybe close to 7,000 for next year. So if it's more than that when he turns 18, you're going to have to pay tax over that, and that's quite a significant amount of tax that you have to pay. Whereas if you do it now in his name, you can transfer money to him every year up to the threshold of the free. There we go. We knew it was going to happen, and it happened. There's a pop. We got one short, 3 longs. The one short just got liquidated. Yeah. So it's not the problem, but what is the problem then? Or are you staying below the threshold? That's also possible. Like, I don't know how old your kids are, but in years to come. Oh, yeah. No, I understand that. But if you're going to give it to him anyway, the tax is like 30-40% on a gift. Whereas if you'd give it now, it's free. So I'm all for paying taxes, but not when you don't have to. Like, it's not like you're circumventing it or anything. Yeah, no, I applaud everyone for wanting to pay tax, but yeah, why not pay 80% of your tax or of your wage to tax? That, like, you don't have to, so why should you? And if you are gonna gift someone money, you're investing it for your kids, so they should benefit from it. But yeah, everyone's entitled to their own decisions in that regard, I suppose. We're not here to give financial advice. It's just what I'm doing.
Or taxes avoid.
Or tax avoidance advice. No, it's not tax avoidance at all. This is a very, yeah. The reason why these investment accounts exist to be put in your child's name is exactly for this purpose. Just get trading. Yeah, no, I'm waiting. These markets are not moving. Look at it. This is going to be one of those days. Yeah, look at it. Come on. Minus 3%. Basically, all the profit that we made last week is just gone.
Always like that.
You win a week, you lose a week. Oh, look at this. This is bad. And even Pump decides to dump more. Mm-hmm. Wow. Have we ever had this level of sideways movement for all positions?
Never.
Today was not the day to
do scalping, yeah.
to do scalping in a live session.
yeah.
Basically, bought here, prices up. Lumia is basically a
oh
flat.
My God.
Oh, the only one Pump is like, well, we would have been out of Pump if we had played it normally. But even with Pump, like I can't even add another take profit break even here because it didn't even reach that. Anyone else had a good trade?
There is a hesitation everywhere.
Oh, Pump is going back up. No, not really. So, know any good jokes? I mean, I could risk open up another position, but I don't want to get stuck in it for another 30 minutes and not having it budge at all. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, but there's another thing that we could show here as well. Because this is the test version, and we're updating our dashboard.
Ooh, wow.
So it's different. You'll be able to see upcoming videos. Currently, there aren't planned any because we're live, but yeah, you'll see these are getting updated real time. There's some more tutorials added. Lots of tutorials. You got watch lists here. Yeah, explore, and you can also add different items. So if you want to do course, view course, sign up for that. Yeah, I don't have any bots running, so don't see them here. No. Oh yeah, here. These are the bots. Yep. So yeah. You can change these as well. Like if you say I want to have my top, you can customize it. You say I want to put my balances at the top, you can. Nice, right?
Yeah, I really like it. I really like the fact that you can customize it and hide or view different tabs.
Yeah, and then the live updating is also really nice. So we can see that our positions are doing awesome at the moment.
Always open positions are in red. That's normal because we see green position close.
This will be hopefully released somewhere next week. So we don't have to wait that long. It's just that we're wrapping up all the documentation and all the tutorial parts that you saw. Making sure that the content that's there. Oh, we're gonna get another loss. Lovely. Thank you, Maggie. And obviously, it's also updated on the mobile phone. So yeah, mobile phone will be nice. And other things that we're working on. Yeah, we're working on a smaller version of this. So that you don't have, like, if you're trading, like if you're new to trading, you don't, like, you see this and you're like, whoa, get that out. Then, yeah, we're reducing it a lot for you. You can step it up slowly. Like if you don't want multiple take profits and stop losses and start positions and expire it, just click a button and you'll not see it. You can focus on the things that matter for you at that specific time. And then, of course, we're working on the chart updating. So we're going to have TradingView Plus and All TradingView. I don't know if we're going to name it that, but no. Currently, the name is the CoinRay charts because the service that we use to get all this market data from is called CoinRay.
That's great.
That's where the data comes from. These guys at CoinRay, they are amazing. Down to earth. In other words, stay awake, people.
Today is not the day. Today is
Pump
not the
is
day.
dumping hard. Pump is dumping hard. Yeah, I'm not gonna.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to call it quits soon. I can't even show you how you would normally handle this because it didn't reach anything. Like normally, okay, let me just show what I would normally do anyway, or I'm gonna have to do. So you would add another target and you place it at the break even, freeing up some funds, reducing your break even. Mark has a question for Soda. Will there be a Black Friday sale next month? Asking for a friend. All right then. Let's go. Let's do it. Yes, this is it. Like, you've seen channels where they either won't take any trades and they will just show you pumps. Like I could have gone through the quick scanner and say, like, oh, look at that. Look at that. If you had bought here, you would have made a lot of profits. Now we can do a stream like that. Like, oh my God, look at this amazing. If only you bought it. Like, you can do that. It's fine, but it's not realistic, right?
No one clicks the button like us.
Like, oh my God, look at this. Whoa. If only you bought it when 43% in 30 minutes. I mean, damn, that is a move for sure. But yeah, that's not trading. That is not trading. It's nice uplifting though. So I'll give you that. But like the real success, like what we had last week was it's a bit like Formula One racing, I think. Like one week you get a really cool race with lots of things happening. Your favorite driver might win or might crash in the first corner. And you have these boring races where everyone's just driving behind each other and nothing really happens. Well, today is one of those days. Today is one of those days. And occasionally someone crashes against the wall, even though they should be pumped. What's this?
Yeah. It depends also about your feeling with the market. So I think today we don't have any feeling. So last week was great because was a good day for scalping, and we were into the market. But today, the momentum is quite hard.
What momentum?
Our momentum.
I mean, the only problem with this is that normally I would manage this trade, right? Normally I would manage it and I would take several hours to get out of this in profit. But I don't have time for that. Yeah, not only long-term insight now, because you get real-time insights as well. Oh, that's deep. Right, let's grab this last remaining one. Get it over and done with. Just take all my money. There we go. We see that it's been taken. Position updated. Thank you. And now we get break even there. Really, really close. So it's good to see what happens when you get 3 levels. So now we would add another target that we put here. Yeah, like so. This will, like when you sell, so we're not gonna buy anymore, right? So this position is either gonna get liquidated or why am I not supposed to do that? Are we on? Oh, it wasn't updated yet. There we go. Like so. And then we do that. Place that one there. And now we can place it. So we're not going to buy anymore, right? So we're going to be selling a little bit here to get funds back. If this one is sold, then we'll put it back lower. And if it doesn't get sold, then at some point, you can just move everything down. You move all the prices down. You start selling in the in the loss, so that you can get some funds back and use the funds to buy it back lower. So every time that you sell, you just put it back lower. That means that, yeah, okay, you can. So if we have to sell this one, for example, here, then we would have lost against this one. But then if we can buy it back lower, then we would have actually made some money on these trades combined. Right. So that's the theory behind it. And you just continue to do that until it actually makes this move. It's unlikely that this market is going to be in this downward move forever. Right. It's going to be, this is the impulse selling move. And we've bought several times, and now we're expecting it to return at some point. And on the 15-minute, this is looking like it can happen at any time. And we can just, and it can clear all these three at once. That means that we've sold a little bit of loss. Break even will move up. But as the two trades here are above the break even, if we sell them all three at once, we'll be in profit. Guaranteed.
Scaling strategy.
Yeah, and if it's one, then we just buy it back lower and continue to do it. Now, I'm not going to be sure if I have the time to do this, so this is really unfortunate that I might have to take this $23 loss, because quite frankly, my time is worth a little bit more than $23 to sit here for a full day. So that's not what I'm going to do. So I might have to take the loss, which is very, very unfortunate. But yeah, I just don't have the time to show you in this case. But you would be buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling continuously until you're out and until you make it to this middle line again. Oh, we got stopped out on something. Lumia. Lovely.
Lumia was stuck there for the wall. Oh, so just break of structure.
Awesome. So we shall see if Pump is going to give us some of that money back. Oh, right. I'll show you exactly what. If we can get this fill, that would be great. You can see what happens, right? Break even is here. By selling below the break even, what's going to happen? Break even is going to go up. There we go. That's a sell. So the break even is up. But now this take profit is actually in profit. Right? But this break even is now lower than it was when we had only these two buys. Let me see if I can calculate that. I can't show you, but the break even is at 4437. So you see 4434, 4437 is here, it's higher. So right now the break even is at 4418. So that's a lot better than 37. So just by having this bit of profit, because this was profit, I can calculate that. So break even start. This was profit, right? So now what we could do is, if this thing turns around again, so we could say, let's do another increase. So we've bought back what we sold on this one, and we're going to do it a little bit lower now. So this is how you could do it. Just press the increase button, increase it, and you'll be going up. Yay!
Ooh.
That's a good one. This is a good sign.
Finally, something is happening.
Pump is gonna go, and hopefully it's so now it reached this level, right? So it reached that middle line. Now we can either push through or it can bounce off and go back down again. Neoris is up and almost
yeah, almost get liquidated.
No, that's profit.
Yeah.
But we've seen it before where we lost a trade on a few pips. Volatility is kicking in now. I have some time. Come on, be nice if we can close it and profit. Can't believe we lost this much. That's unfair. Come on. Come on, pump. Do it again. You see the band is narrowing as well. It is a good sign. Good sign, good sign. Oh, the suspense of the music as well. Can't believe it. Such. But this is okay, right? I've explained this several times. We go down, we go there, we go there, we touch it once, we go there, we touch it, and we break it, and now we're gonna go into this pattern. That. This is such a typical Bollinger Band move pattern. So this, I'm fairly confident that this will be a winner. Fairly confident. And I'm fairly confident this will be
same scenario.
Yeah, I'll leave it open. I think I can manage this because this will take a while. So I think I'll leave it open and manage it.
Yeah, bands are narrowing even here.
Yeah. And how many times, Rafa, have I messaged you several hours in the evening saying, look,
Yeah, I always, guys, every time we end up the live after 30 minutes, Ben always message me, look, the profit. And it's a massive profit every time. So on the live stream, you only see like the bad time, minus 1%. And after 40 minutes, it turns +2, +3. So
it's not,
I'm
it's
quite
not like
confident about
it's not like we're secretly funding this account, right? It's not like that. Like, if you want to see the results, actually, you can create a Signali account and look for the breakout. That's this account. You can see the results. You could follow it as well. You can give us funds, but I wouldn't do that. But you can.
I'm quite confident. Ben words are trustable. And next week, we always show the recap as we did earlier.
Yeah, win or loss. But today we're going to have to call it quits. So, yeah, I want to thank everyone for watching again. And we'll see you again, hopefully, next week in the profit. So, or otherwise, we can all cry together about the losses. Thanks, everyone, for watching. Thank you, Rafa, for joining.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Ben.
Talk to you later.
See you guys.
Bye.